It's 9:47 p.m. You have finally closed your laptop after a long tiring day. Your shoulders feel heavy, your neck is stiff, you feel very tired. You just want to lie down on the bed. You sigh silently. I am getting older. Your body is falling apart not because you are getting older. It is because somewhere taking care of everybody else's life, you have put yourself dead last in your own list. Can I ask you one honest question? How many times you have promised yourself, I will do workout on Monday after this project, after kids' exam when I have time? The biggest lie in fitness, you need more time. What if the time you feel wasted while waiting for the rice to cook at the school bus and also 11 p.m. on the bed scrolling? All these moments are good enough. By the end of this video, the guilty feeling I don't have time will vanish because I'm going to hand you over more powerful than time, your body. Say till the end, the last movement can feel how you sleep tonight, how you feel about yourself tomorrow morning. Hi, I am Momita Mukherjee. I'm not here to give you another fitness lecture. I'm here to hand you over something the world has silently taken from you the day you have become responsible for everyone else. Your right to feel stronger in your own body. Priya, my friend from IT, a working mother, wife, and daughter to aging parents. Her back hurts after 9 hours of desk job, bending over a stove, carrying her daughter to the bed. She's exhausted, but she can't sleep. As soon as her head is on the pillow, all tomorrow's chaos run in her mind. One day, she told me, Momita, I used to be someone. I don't even remember. But today, I'm only support system of everyone. No darling for me. That sentence broke my heart. So, what did I tell Priya? No dramatic 6 a.m. gym membership, which she will anyhow cancel after a month. I told her, just move. We think movement is when we put on the sports shoes and sweat out on the gym for an hour. Well, it's simply not. Your body needs movement. It doesn't care where you do that. Scientists have even a name for this. Movement snacks. Tiny bursts of movement throughout the whole day. Just 30 seconds or 3 rounds at a time. When you get up in the morning, first few seconds just concentrate on your breathing. Then you slowly inhaling, raise both of your legs 30 degree, 60 degree, then 90 degree. Exhaling, come down slowly. Then fold your both legs and exhaling, slowly pull them on your chest, on your belly, and press a little. Slowly release. Fold your legs and then drop your bent legs, exhaling to your right side, inhaling up, exhaling left side, inhaling out, taking release. Each movement for 30 seconds. Now you can rush to the bathroom. Before your pressure cooker whistles, rise on your toes, then your heels. Balance on your toes while stretching your both hands up as much as you can. Then slowly exhaling, come down. Squat slowly. You can hold onto your kitchen counter or you can take help of your wall. Every movement, three rounds. When you are waiting in the school pickup line, just bend both the sides, right side, left side, twist a bit. Move your waist clockwise, anti-clockwise. Stretch your hands if possible behind. No one will notice. Don't miss out the last breathing advice. Priya thanked me most for that. When you are walking in the office, show some love to your neck. Simply take it to the right, to the left, inhaling up, exhaling down. Turn your head in a half circle Very gently and slowly. Clockwise, left to left, anti-clockwise, left to right. Now this one looks ridiculously easy, but when you are sitting for 8 hours on the desk, then you feel it immediately. Move your shoulder clockwise, anti-clockwise, and your wrist clockwise, anti-clockwise. Every movement 3 rounds. When your smartwatch reminds you to stand up, you probably stand up. And then put your hands behind your lower back. Slowly exhaling, go down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, bend forward. Inhaling up. Congratulations, your smartwatch is happy. So does your spine. When you are in the meeting, exhausted, waiting for Zoom to load up, then raise your palms under the table and settle back. No one will see. Nuts on the bed. Instead of watching someone else's perfect looking life, just close your gadget. Lie down on your back, right hand on your belly, left hand beside your body. Then concentrate on the abdominal breathing. While inhaling, how your belly is going up, and exhaling, how your belly is going down. Close your eyes. After 30 seconds, you can go into Shavasana. Relax completely. Small, almost embarrassingly small moments of movement. 3 weeks later, Priya told me her back is not screaming at her anymore. 3 months later, she sent me a picture. No six packs, no before after crazy photo, but just her. Standing tall, shoulders back, eyes little bright, like a woman who had secretly taken back herself in her own list. I'm not asking you to be an athlete or adding one more task already overflowing day. I'm asking you to reclaim only 30 seconds and take back your life. If you just nodded quietly, let me know in the comments which tiny moments you are going to reclaim. I'd love to know. Subscribe if you want a friend in this journey who will never feel you guilty, but only capable. Let this minute be yours. Finally, you take care of yourself.